ETSU's mission is to help our community, is to be kind of this flagship of our community and to provide support. And there are so many other areas where ETSU has been providing support with clothing and food drives and sorting and just a lot of support that's been made available by ETSU, even canceling classes. Not that supports the students that maybe can't get to class or are suffering from this, but it also allows faculty like us to go spend the time working with the Washington County Emergency Management and the Emergency Operations Center, the EOC, and use our resources to provide things that they need that otherwise they couldn't get, or it would take longer for them to get. And so it makes me very proud to be at ETSU and to be able to use these resources and to help the community, especially when there's such a need. And there's certainly a lot of skills that we have here in our lab, but others in other labs. There's probably going to be some water quality testing coming out of our department, but also environmental health, the College of Public Health involved in that. There's a lot of really good relationships on campus between faculty and students and staff to be able to get out in the community and provide the skills that we've learned over time here and talk to our students and actually apply them. That feels really good to me. I don't like to just be stuck in a room, and on a computer, and really like to be able to use our skills for good and for what the community needs.